Do you struggle to gain the respect of others, whether in the workplace or your personal life? Fear not, because in this video, we will share with you 6 psychological hacks that can help you command respect quickly from those around you. These tactics may be unconventional, but they have been proven to work. Get ready to learn how to become a respected and influential force. Don't be nice all the time. Contrary to popular belief, being nice all the time is not the way to earning respect. In fact, it can often have the opposite effect. People see right through someone who is always trying to please others and rarely stands up for themselves. It makes you seem weak and easily manipulated. Of course, that doesn't mean that you should be rude to everyone you meet. Being respectful of others' opinions or needs is important, but not at the expense of your own. It's okay to be assertive and stand up for yourself when necessary. The key is to strike a balance between being nice and being a pushover, as only the former will garner respect while the latter will result in being taken advantage of. Setting clear boundaries. To understand the previous point better, it's important to know how to set clear boundaries. In order to be respected, you must first respect yourself. A lot of people might struggle with this, but setting clear boundaries and communicate them assertively is essential if you want to be respected. This can include saying no when you need to, standing up for yourself if someone is crossing your boundaries and not treating you with the respect you deserve. Let them know what behavior is unacceptable, and don't tolerate disrespect. This will show others that you value and demand respect. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. Staying calm in difficult situation. Fear can make you appear weak and vulnerable. For example, if you're in a social situation and someone becomes aggressive or confrontational, remain calm and don't react with fear or anger. Instead, take a step back and assess the situation before taking action. It not only helps you make better decisions, but you also shows that you have the mental and emotional fortitude to handle difficult situations. Your ability to remain level-headed in difficult situations can earn you the respect of those around you. Remember, don't let your emotions get the best of you. Make people wait for your response. You heard me right. If someone asks you a question or makes a request, don't rush to give an answer right away. Take a moment to think about your response. Consider the request and whether or not it aligns with your values and priorities. This tactic can be a bit uncomfortable for some, but it can be an effective way to gain respect. By taking the time to consider your response, you are conveying that you have other important things to do, and your time and priorities are valuable. Not only that, you also demonstrate that you are thoughtful and deliberate in your decision-making process. This can help you appear more competent and confident in your abilities. Plus, people value those who they perceive as busy and in demand, which can lead to increased respect from others. Keep your word and follow through. People respect those who keep their word and follow through on their promises. Respect is earned through action, not just words. It's not enough to just talk the talk. You need to walk the walk. Your actions speak louder than your words. So make sure your actions reflect your promises. Don't make fake promises to impress others. If you do, don't be surprised when you lose the respect of those around you. Only set realistic expectations and make commitments that you know you can keep, and make sure you honor it. By doing so, you solidify your reputation as someone who can be counted on. Be truthful. In a world full of lies and deception, honesty is a rare commodity that people crave. It's easy to hide behind lies or cover up mistakes, but that will only lead to a loss of respect in the long run. People appreciate those who are upfront and truthful, even when it goes against your interests. Admitting to your mistakes and taking responsibility for them shows that you have the maturity and integrity to learn from your failures. And don't forget, being honest also means speaking up when you see something wrong or unjust. Don't be afraid to voice your opinions and stand up for what you believe in. So, be courageous and speak up with the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it may be.